Here we are, another clandestine location. I tell you what, boys and girls, it's hotter than a scum sucker out here, man. Whew, I'm rendering lard, let me tell you. We're gonna try and do some sighting in today of the Marlin 60. I got a Bushnell. I think it's a 4x12 power scope on it. I think that's what it is. So we're going to try to sight this puppy in. I've got a target set up out there at about 25 yards, but I stepped it off close enough. So we're going to see how close we are right out of the box by taking a few shots, and then we'll dial her in from there. So we'll go ahead and take a few. Alright, I can see in the scope that we are way low and right. So we'll make a few adjustments. And then, alright, so I didn't want to bore you with the adjustment process, but what we'll do is I'll try to zoom you in there. See if my camera makes noises when I'm zooming. The target on the left is what I was shooting at. And I think she's pretty close at 25 yards. Now I'll move the target back. You can see on the white paper, or the white backing, see I was low and right pretty good ways right out of the gate, and then slowly moved up, and then got screwed up on my adjustment. Thought I was going one way and went the other. Anyway, I think we got her back in the center. That's close enough for me. It's pretty consistent at that with my cheapo makeshift gun rest there. Not really expecting perfection out here today. It's hotter than crap, and the gun rest is a piece of shit. So anyway, looks pretty good there. But you know, might be a little different with the next one. So I think we're probably just going to do some shooting now off the rest. All right, next up, see my cold steel beauty, the Browning SA-22 takedown. This is going to be the first run with her. I got it back in the cold weather days. They get to shoot it. And so we're going to give her a go. She's all loaded up, and we'll see what she can do. Tell you what, 25 yards right out of the box, that's pretty slick. Alright, we got 10 more in her, and I'm going to try it again, because that was some fun shit. Well, you can't beat that, I'll tell you what. So here she is, the trusty Ruger 1022 Sporter. Brand ass new, never been shot. Gonna break her in today. Yes, sirree, Bob. Beautiful piece of machinery there. So, gonna get her loaded up, make a few shots. We're gonna use that target on the right-hand side down there, and see how break her in. Here. Hopefully, get her running good. Be shooting at the target on the right, iron sights. That thing looked a lot bigger in the scope. Same target. I'm going to aim a little lower this time. Really? I know you're probably tired of seeing this old dog, the old Norinco, but I just got to give her a go. I've give her some proper lubrication and give her a little bit of love, whispered sweet nothings in her ear, told her how good she was for an old girl. So I think she's going to run good for me. Let me get her loaded up. We'll shoot her a couple of times. We're loaded up with the old Norinco, the old tired bitch. And I think we're ready to go. I hope she don't embarrass me. I hope she runs. She should run anyway. CCI mini mags. Let's see what she do. All right, well there's 10 without a hiccup.